Hi Winyoni, I want to give you a quick video update of the changes. You'll notice we got in all of the copy changes, but please double check our work. Let us know if there's something we missed or transposed. As far as this header image, I reverted it back to the original. I did back off of it about 10% just to allow the text to really shine through. Um, I also tried the version in color, and I like both of those. So if you'd like to see the colored version, let me know. I also took off the animations for the text. It seemed like that was what you were saying, but if that wasn't, let me know. All of this text has been updated. I do recommend breaking out strengths and weaknesses here just to allow strengths to come up to this next line, and that will look better as far as the line justification. We did add the three-dimensional effect, which you can see here, and then I love, love, love this new image with the parallax effect, so take a look at that. And you can see also we updated the Roman numerals as well as the hover effects on these. The transitions are much smoother. I just restarted my computer because I was having a few issues. I'm going to work on some of these alignment and spacing things just to clean those up. And great call on all of the titling changes. Those are really work well. The big piece that we spent the most time on was reimagining the gallery section. And thank you so much for working on the titling and the image kind of research. All of these pieces look really great. I just noticed one that we need to update for digital strategy, but the hover boxes on these are really great. And I'm just super happy with that as a product overall. The big change here is these are not gallery items anymore. They are independent elements. So these will be things that we'll be looking at on mobile and to be sure that they are lined up and in order. And we may consider editing out a few of these on mobile since there are so many. They look great side by side, but once they stack vertically, we may decide there's just too many of them. The testimonials, I went through about 6 or 7 different plugins. This is really one of the best to have this slider effect. We can customize like normal text boxes, but we can't apply this slider animation to it unless we use a plugin. So the limitations of this plugin are the quotation marks are actually a styling element to the theme of it, as well as this little icon here. So we're limited in what we can remove with that. But if we wanted to have static elements, I think we could do a little more maybe with those, but the slider effect is really, I think, what you were looking for. So those are the limitations with that. And we've updated these as independent icons that are linking to a more unique called a light box. So this element pops open when it's selected, and then the user has the option to exit out of it. So those are set up now for all of the bio pages. And just so you're aware, the trick for reordering these blogs are to change the publish date on them actually. So what I did is I removed the stock blogs and then organized the publish date by chronological order, the most recent being the first. So that's how we're able to organize that. So in the future, if you need to add more elements, that's how you can do that and have them in the order that you'd like them. And then I think as far as the LinkedIn page, if you don't already have a page set up, you can create one. And then we could probably piece together the logo over top of one of the branding images that we have, or even take a screenshot of this main slider image, and you can use that for the company profile, but I didn't see any other details outlining that in your documents. So let me know about that. We can also just remove it for now as well. All right, that's it. Please run through everything, make sure you're happy with the way everything looks, and let me know. Thanks.